Hi, good evening, everybody. I'm Greg Peterson.
And I'm Kim Thurman. Our big story right now at 5 o'clock. Another Mobile County Constable is in trouble with the law.
Donald Aucoin was found guilty of DUI in Mobile County. This comes after another Mobile County Constable was charged with murder, and a former constable was sentenced on federal gun charges this month.
Local 15's Andrea Ramey joins us with this exclusive story.
Well, Kim, investigators say Aucoin was armed with a loaded 9mm and had his constable badge with him when he was pulled over for swerving. The Mobile County Sheriff told me this afternoon there needs to be more regulation and oversight with these constables who are elected officials.
A Mobile County Sheriff's deputy pulled Eugene Aucoin over here off Lot Road in April when he noticed Aucoin's pickup truck driving erratically.
And sure enough, they determined that the driver was intoxicated and arrested him for DUI.
According to records, the tag on Aucoin's 1994 pickup truck had expired 6 years ago. Records also show Aucoin initially told the deputy he didn't have a weapon, but the deputy found a holstered pistol by his right leg, a Ruger 9mm loaded with 10 bullets. This isn't the only charge on the Mobile County Constable's record. He was charged with domestic violence in 2011, and in 2009, a warrant was issued for his arrest for violating the blue light law.
The current law in Alabama prohibits constables from operating blue lights on their vehicles, and to be operating as a law enforcement vehicle is sort of an unsafe situation.
This is the third Mobile County Constable who's come under fire this month. On July 20th, Larry Sheffield was charged with murder after investigators say he shot and killed a man point blank in the parking lot of Traders on the Causeway. And on July 14th, former Mobile County Constable Scott Bond was sentenced on federal gun charges.
It is a concern.
According to the probate judge Don Davis, most of the 88 to 98 current constable positions in the county are filled as write-in candidates at the ballot box, often receiving, he says, just 1 or 2 votes. Mobile County Sheriff Sam Cochran believes lawmakers should address the issue and require more regulation.
While we have some good constables, we have a lot of constables that have never had any certification in law enforcement training. They're unregulated, and they're elected to different precincts throughout the county. So, you know, there's no background checks on them, and if they're out there trying to enforce the law, you know, we just don't know what their background is to be doing that.
Now, I did speak with Aucoin off camera at his Chunchula property. He said he had no comment about his case, but did say he felt that constables were being treated unfairly. I reached out to the County Constable Association, but have not heard back. Greg?
All right.